Hey there, Wildcats. It's Mrs. Hickam. I just wanted to pop on here to give you a quick tutorial on how to access your Google Meet through your Google Classrooms. This is how we are going to access them throughout the year, so make sure you know how to do it and you know how to do it well. So once you are on google.com, you are going to make sure that you have over here in the corner, it's going to have your initial. And I'm going to click on it because I'm going to show you. I have 3 different accounts on this Chrome. And you need to make sure every time that you go into your Google Classroom, your Google Meet, whatever you are using for school, you need to make sure that it is logged into your westvillageacademy.org email. If you are logged into a different one, it's not going to work. So you need to, every time, make sure you come over here, check that it's not logged into your personal one and it's logged into your westvillageacademy.org account. Now, once you've checked that, there are 2 different ways you can get to your Google Classroom. One is up here on the URL bar, and you could type in classroom.google.com. And then the other way that you can get to it is from this little box 9 dots, and you can click on that. We call it the waffle icon. And you can click there, and you can find your classroom in this group of icons. And right here is Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Classroom. And once you are on Classroom, all of your classes are going to pop up. Now, you need to make sure your teacher has told you which classroom that you can find your Google Meet link in. Some classes only have 1 class, so you might click on that and it will have it up. Other classes have multiple classes for subjects, and they will tell you which one you can find it in. So in this case, I'm just going to use Miss Keel's class because it's the first one on my list of teachers, and I'm going to click here, click on Miss Keel's class, and you would click on your class, and what it's going to do is it's going to take you to your classroom. Once you are in your classroom, up here on the banner, you can see that there is a Meet link right here, and I've highlighted it for you to see. So once you see that, you are going to click on this Meet link. And it's going to take you into your Google Meet. Now, when you get to your Google Meet, it's going to ask you if you want to join, and you're going to push Join Now. Right here, it'll tell you who is all in already in the Google meeting. Obviously, there's nobody in there right now, but that is how you're going to get to that. And then here is where you can check your video and as well as your microphone to make sure that they are working as well if you want to use those. So that's pretty much all that I am going to go over today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Class Dojo, or you may email me and I can help you out. Talk to you later.